What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about workers' compensation insurance. Specifically, I want to give you guys 3 tips so you can be super confident that you are rocking your policy and you have exactly what you need, but also that you're paying the right amount. So let's get into those 3 things and you guys can get on with your day. So the first thing is preventing accidents. This is such a big deal when it comes to workers' comp, which deals almost entirely with injured workers. So the safer you can get your business, the less you're going to pay for workers' compensation. And that's kind of a mantra that you can really take to heart, because implementing something like a safety program, making sure that the area is safe for your employees, things like that can go a long way to providing a huge benefit to your business, especially when it comes to paying less for workers' comp, but also about making your employees happier. There are just a number of things that go along with this that make this a great idea. So my first big tip is making sure you have a safe, hazard-free environment for your employees. Have someone that has your back when it comes to workers' comp. And specifically what I mean by that is an agent who is on top of this, who is routinely going over your policy to make sure you have the right amount and that all your information is up to date. With workers' compensation, it really matters how often you look at this policy and how often you look at your business as it grows, as it changes, as things develop, as employees come and go. Things like that. So make sure you have an agent that is on top of this, that looks over it. What seems to happen a lot is a person will either go into business, get a workers' comp policy and try to look at as little as possible, or they get an agent who kind of forgets about things and this goes kind of along by the wayside, and years later you've got a super out-of-date workers' comp policy. So make sure you have an agent, somebody like Alliance Insurance, who will go over this with you on a regular basis, at least every 3 years, to make sure that your policy is up to date, because that matters and it could save you a lot of money and heartache in the long run. So that last one actually leads into my third one, and that is you need a workers' compensation review right now. You need one right now, because if you haven't done this, if you don't do this yearly, really, then you are opening yourself up to some huge headaches. But at the very least, what you're doing is you're not looking to see if you could be saving money as your business grows and changes. It's possible that you guys have been safer for longer, right? That you've had fewer accidents in the past few years, and therefore your modification factor for workers' comp is going to go down. And basically all that means is that you're at better risk, right? So if you don't have someone looking over this information, you'll never know that. So go ahead and get a workers' compensation review right now. And the best way to do that is by clicking the link below to schedule a time to speak with one of our garage experts, people who live and breathe garage insurance and help people just like you get what they need all the time. So click the link below, schedule a time. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's get you guys dialed in so you can go into 2020 more confident than you've ever been about your workers' compensation insurance.